Guess what? I'm moving out. Surprise, surprise. I'm moving back in with my grandparents. So yes, we're going back home. It's the 8th of September today. Today was my last working day. I didn't have much actually. I was done at like 11:30. And then I was just free. I was just telling everybody bye because according to me I made a lot of friends. Yeah, it's mostly all of them, so I said bye. Then yeah, I was glad I never had to eat Tamil Nadu sambar again. Anyways, I'm moving out, so currently I'm packing. I think I'll do a montage for you of me folding clothes. If I have, this is it. A montage of me folding clothes, guys. Welcome to the montage of me folding clothes. Hey, I'm folding clothes. Yeah, 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 yeah. Yeah, and then we'll cut back to this. I'm eating dinner right now. It's the same old, same old. We got the Avlaki fam mixing. Yeah. Never disappoints. This is probably going to be the last time you're going to see me here. Standing here, you last time see this window, last time you see me snapping the sunset, sunrise, everything. So yeah, I'm leaving today. Do you want to see my room? Let me just show you my room, come on. You know this wall because, you know, the sun hits directly from the window back there. This is the door. This is my bed. This was the spare bed where the suitcase lived like 90% of the time. Then yeah, that's my jumper that I'm gonna wear and scoot. My socks, my shoes. Then it's a cute bathroom. I say cute because it's tiny and it's efficient. This is a shelf, another shelf, and these were racks on racks on racks. Almost forgot to pack that. Thank God I opened it. Yeah. I'm just gonna use, and this is my one and only window. I was staying at the 3rd floor. Yeah. That's about it actually, and there is that mirror.
Two seconds later.
Hands on my knees, shaking ass on my thigh shape. Hands